Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Making another pizza today. If you're familiar with the series, we're not going to be making the dough in this or the sauce. That's going to be done already. We're just using some toppings today. Today we're going to do a nice chicken and mushroom. If you want to know how to do the dough, links are below and the videos are going to pop up at the end for both the dough and the sauce. Let's get our pizza dough together. Okay, so you saw me just get that together. Now if you're going to use my recipe, you're going to get 2 of these 12-inch size, nice and thin. So that's done. Let's get some of our sauce on there. I always find 3 spoons to be enough. And again, this no cook sauce, the link's below and the video is going to pop up at the end. Beautiful. Okay, let me grab some stuff. Let's get that on the move. So first up, let's get our cheese on there. I'm using this block mozzarella that I've sliced up. Try and cut it thin. It's quite hard to cut thin actually, but you can do it. There's our cheese. Let's move on. Okay, so I'm going to get some chicken on there. And I've got some really nice roasted chicken, which I've just I had a full chicken basically, and I've just taken all the meat off the bones. There's even a little bit of skin on this. I mean, you could be using a different type of chicken if you want, like a kind of boiled type, but I'm going for this beautiful roast one today. Some mushrooms. This is going to be fantastic actually, this one. Really good. I've got some red jalapenos here. Give it a little bit of a kick. Jalapenos, of course, are not super crazy hot. And then we're going to go dried oregano. And just one last thing that I like on this one is just a little bit of raw onion. And again, not going crazy with that, just a little bit there. This is going to go in my oven for about 6 minutes. So get your oven on full blast, 6 minutes. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so that was in my oven, 6 minutes. Really beautiful, that is. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. These videos, like I said, of the pizza dough and the pizza sauce will be popping up about now. Lots of love.